Hamjambo tena. Angelo janam amoso. Joduru wa untie. Joduru wa wamor. Nyasaye ber. Sechete. Basi. Mambo namna hiyo. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Hebu mnisalimie hewani hivi nione. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Asanteni sana. If anybody has any alternative ideas and plans and programs, let them sell to the people of Kenya. Forget about intimidation. Let us compete. If you have good ideas, why do you need the police? Why do you need blackmail? Why do you need intimidation? If you have better ideas, sell them to the people of Kenya. There are enough intelligent people in Kenya to differentiate what is good from what is better and what is best. We have built the hustler movement on the basis of everybody's hustle. And we have built a coalition of ordinary Kenyans with their ordinary hustles. Our friends on the other side have built a coalition of leaders of tribes. And they have an agenda to share power, to share positions, and to share anything else they can find. On this other side, as a coalition of the hustler movement, of everybody's hustle, our agenda is empowerment of every citizen and their hustles, and to create jobs for ordinary citizens of our country. And that dichotomy is the dichotomy that is going to define how we move our country forward. They have told us all the years of this trickle-down economics. We are telling them there is a different economic model, a bottom-up economic model that starts with ordinary people at the bottom. They believe in a win-lose, that for one to win, another one must lose. That for one to get, somebody else must lose. That for one to be rich, another one must be poor. We are telling them there is a different model called win-win, where everybody can be a winner, where the people at the bottom, when they are empowered, they can then support the people at the top. So that is, they have a different economic model, we have a different economic model. They have their own agenda, we have our own agenda. And that is the contest that is going to define the next election. We must have the formula to create wealth, to create jobs, to create opportunity. The greater goal for us is to find the formula to create opportunity and to create jobs and to create wealth and to make sure that everybody works. Because as we talk today, 16 million Kenyans neither have a job nor a business. And those are the people we must get into the cycle of our economy so that Kenya can grow. That is the difference. Until we find the formula to create more opportunities, to create more wealth, to create more jobs, then our country will continue to mark time in the same place. And I'm inviting you, good people, that for that Kenya, and for us to get our country moving we must get the formula to create jobs, the formula to create opportunity, the formula to create wealth, and that formula will be anchored on making sure that the 16 million Kenyans who neither have a job nor a business are recruited into the cycle of our economy through the creation of those jobs and opportunities. That is where the solution is. Nyinyi mnanielewa? And to get that solution, you don't need tribal leaders. You don't need tribal ideas. You don't need ethnic chiefs. You need visionary Kenyans who can think for Kenya as a Kenyan unit. And that is what we need to do. Nyinyi mnanielewa? And that's why I'm very passionate about this. Even if I remain alone, I am walking this journey. Hata wale wakikusanyana pale wamekusanyana. Hata wale wakikusanyana pale wamekusanyana pale kwa kona. No problem. Because I know all of them. Si mimi najua hiyo watu wote. They have no clue where this country is supposed to go. They have no idea. I promise they don't have it. Ama namna gani? So, na ni vizuri wameanza mapema. Sasa nimeona wamejipanga hapo. Sasa wafanye hiyo kazi ya seminar na conference na retreat, wamalize haraka ndio watuambie candidate yao ya tribal chiefs ni nani. Sisi mahasla pande hii tumejipanga. Tukutane nao kwa kiwanja, iko problem nini? Ama tuko pamoja? Bas, mambo ni namna hiyo.
So I can categorically say speak as members of the Hustler Nation, and the first reason based on certain consultations that I've had this morning and based on the time available at our disposal.
Tunataka kumwambia tunampenda sana. Na sisi venye tuko hapa, tuko mahasla sisi wote. Sisi tumekuja hapa juu tunampenda na tumeona vitu anafanyia wengine, na ndio tumeona sisi hapa. Ujue tumekuja kusupport deputy president aingie uongozi na angalie maslahi ya watu wetu venye watafaidika kwa hiyo uongozi wako. Yuko supporters wako wengi huko. Na uoga tunampenda na tunataka kumuonesha hiyo upendo akikuja huko kwa ground. Na tunaomba iwe na mheshimiwa Sudi. Na Sudi, tulikuwa na mheshimiwa Sudi.
There is no public health which is functioning in Kenya except Kenyatta and Eldoret referral. What a sad news for us as a country.